What's going on YouTube? It's your boy The Vintage back on another video, man. I just finished the on feet portion over the Adidas Yeezy 700 V2 Vantas, and I will recommend you going true to size. You can either go I have a size up because I have a size in a 9 and I have a size in 9.5, and they both fit well. The looser one, of course, will be the 9.5, but you can still, you know what I'm saying, feel the comfortability in it, and it's not too loose and it's not too sloppy on your feet, and it don't even look that much bigger, honestly. But you do fit out a little extra room in the half size up, so you can do either one. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring notification bell for your boy when I grind to 20,000 subscribers, man. If you have not checked out the vlog yesterday of me picking these up, go check it out. And I did confirm that these will be releasing in the States next week, so this will be an early review, and I hope you guys are about to enjoy it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at The Vintage World. Link in the description box below as well. And smash that like button. The goal for every video is 100 likes. And I apologize for the echoey sound. I just shipped all my stuff off to Texas, man. So I will not have anything for like a month now. It's taking like a month to get back to the States. So y'all gonna see this empty background for like a couple of weeks until I get to Texas, man. So y'all bear with me and stay tuned for future content and better, you know what I'm saying, backdrops and stuff like that. Let's get into this quick review over the Adidas Yeezy Vanta 700 V2, man. Let's get it. I'm gonna give you guys the B-roll over the box. I did ship the box with my household goods. I kind of made it right in time, but I knew I wanted to have these to rock every day because it's all black. You can rock these with anything. I only kept a couple of pair of kicks, and I was like, man, this shoe will go with anything, so I had to keep this one behind as well. But I did ship the box because I don't have to try to like stuff it in my suitcase or ship it off separately like an empty box. That'd be crazy, so I just sent it off with my household goods. And I shouldn't need the box anyways. I don't sell my shoes, and I'll be just fine with just these Vantas, man. But first things first, as you can see, man, with the upper you have suede, you have nubuck in there, and you also have like some nylon material up here. You kind of get that 3M effect on the shoe, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. That's one of the things I really liked about this sneaker, that reflective portion on the sneaker, man. So I'm gonna show you guys right now what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys a B-roll of the reflective portion of the sneaker, some right here, and 3M all on the upper. And you also get like little speckles of 3M on the back as well, which is very, very dope. I checked it out yesterday, and I checked it out when I went on live with the Retro Wiz Kid. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out for me. You can see the 3M reflective, but I will show you guys in this video as well. You got all black laces. You didn't get any extra laces on these joints. I don't see any other laces they could have gave us besides like the reflective laces like they did with the 350 V1s or the 350 V2s. They had like the black reflective laces in there, and the shoe was all black. That was very dope. So it's like maybe the only thing I would say they could have added. But like I said, this shoe overall just like all black theme, the Vanta theme, and I like it, man. Inside the shoe you got that Yeezy, or I think it said Ortholite right there, as you can see. Check it out. You got the Boost material in the bottom of the sneaker. Very nice. That's why the shoe is very comfortable. They got that Boost material in the bottom of your Yeezys, and I like it, man. These are very comfortable sneaker, and it's like I said, you can go with everything. It's like a neutralized sneaker to where he made it for guys to wear with anything you wanted to, man. All black, can't go wrong. On the back right here, you got the 3 dots. You already know how the 700s come. And the laces, like I said, plain laces. And on the heel, you got the Adidas right there, man. You don't have any Yeezy branding on the outer of the sneaker, which is nice. You know what I'm saying? Gives you that opportunity to wear this with anything. You can wear it with Nikes really if you wanted to, but you know what I'm saying, everybody knows this is a 700 model. But like I said, you can wear this with a lot of stuff, man. Check out the other sneaker right quick, give y'all some round views of it. I want y'all to let me know right now in the comments below if you cop these. These did release online in the States yesterday. Let me know if you was able to cop, but I do know it's gonna be a wider release in the States next week, Friday. And then the day after that, you got the 350 V2 black reflectives that were released. I showed y'all those as well in the vlog yesterday. So if you want to go check out the 350 black reflectives, go check out the vlog from yesterday, man. They very dope. I was like, man, I gotta get them. I gotta get them, bro. I gotta get them. Them boys are super tough. I got to get them, man. And shouts to my boy Luca for holding me down on those as well, man. I can't wait to add those to the collection. I'm gonna be rocking those as well all summer, man. Even though they're all black, hey, you can rock with anything. Check out the inside of the sneaker right here. That midsole was very dope. I love the design on the midsole, man. It's something different, and it kind of gives you that like bulky dad look of the shoe. I don't think it's much of the upper that gives you the dad look. I think it's more in the midsole and that big chunk in the back that gives you that dad feel of the sneaker, man. So rating these out of 10, man, I give these definitely 8. Like I said, this will be one of my top 10 pickups of the year, just because the basicness of the sneaker and things you can do with it. You can rock this with a lot of stuff, and I feel like this is why these are gonna sell out. I feel like these are gonna sell out, man, just because I don't know, we didn't get an all black V2 700 yet, but they gave it to us. And yeah, man, they very dope. I'm glad to add them to the collection. If you did cop these, let me know in the comment section below right now. I'm very interested to know. We can talk about it. Let me know if you passed on. Maybe let me know if they trash. I don't think they trash, but there's a lot of people that I know do not like 700s. Y'all let me know why y'all don't like these right now in the comment section below. Follow me over on Instagram at The Vintage World. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review over this. The on-feet portion was very lengthy. I gave y'all a couple of different pants options, different styles with the 700. So I hope you guys are about to enjoy that. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel. Ring notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video, live stream, post notification, or anything like that. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.